Welcome back to Learn by Round. And today we are going to discuss about a most important topic, or the most of the time the interviewer directly asks to you what is BDD or what is behavior driven development. Okay, so they can also confuse you. Is it framework or anything else? Okay, so the first thing is that it is an approach. Okay, and nowadays it's the most popular approach. Okay, so why it is most popular, let's understand. So firstly we understand what is the exactly the BDD. So BDD is what is an approach to software development that focus on collaboration and clear communication between developers, testers and business stakeholders. It's mean with the help of the BDD approach, all the stakeholders, testers and the developer can easily communicate and collaborate. And why we are telling this? Because they use the plain text language, that is the Jekyll language. Okay, so it is easy to understand, easy to write, and we can easily recognize that our software meets desired behavior and requirement. So here we directly map what is the exactly requirement of our customers and our expectations. We have covered all the things or not as per the software needs. Okay, so that's why we use the BDD.